In this video, we'll illustrate how to model an open curb run for a commercial or site design project using ASC Civil. First step would be to create some type of line work or tracing for the curb line that you're going to model. So if I go into my layer pop-up, I'll turn on the layer P-back a curb, which contains my line work tracing for one of the curb layers, and we'll use that to create offsets to define our alignments. So I'll go ahead and offset that about 3 feet and create my offsets for the entire run. Now, even though we could model the entire run all the way around, for simplicity, we'll just model the run that I've created the offset for here. The next step would be to fillet the areas where we have a 90-degree bend in our offset. So I'll zoom up to that spot and create, let's say, a fillet of could be a couple of feet. I'll just use 3 feet here. And we'll do that for all the areas that we have the 90-degree bends. Okay, now that we have a continuous offset, we'll use that offset line to create an alignment in ASC. So I'll go to Road Alignments and Definition, Manual, and I'll select the offset entities. And after you've selected the entities, hit return and your alignment is created. And I'll go ahead and turn off my back a curb layer that I used to create my offset to make our view a little simpler. And I'll get rid of all of the stationing, and I'll set that alignment current by picking a point somewhere near it. The next step will be to attach design markers along the curb line to that alignment. So under Alignment Association, I'll attach markers, and I'll select by window polygon to make this go a little faster. Hit return, and our markers are now ready for paving feature definition. So under ASC Design, I'll go to Alignment Features and define grade breaks on the L1 component. And I'll select all the design markers that have elevations. And now after we've selected all of our elevated design markers, hit return. And specify the curb height. Now the markers are illustrated with a tick mark showing that there is a grade break definition. At that point, you're ready to export the paving for the current alignment. And the road model is generated. At this point, we can add the road model output to the integrated site by going to ASC Design and Surface Modeling and Refresh Integrated Site. And the contours are updated. The other contours displayed are for the corridor that we just built when we modeled the curb run. So I can just turn those off, and you'll see now that we have our new curb run built into our existing integrated site surface, ready for plan labeling.